Here are Sharpies, which are permanent markers, and there's 12 of them in this box. And let me show you what it looks like. The nice thing about these is it has a fine point and they last for a really long time. Let me show you what it looks like when I write it. It really writes great. These have so many great uses. You can write it on so many surfaces, on paper, plastic, even on boxes for your holiday decor and moving boxes as well. Another nice feature about these markers is that the ink dries quickly, and it's also fade resistant too. So this is what the tip looks like. It has a fine tip and it writes really smoothly. And always make sure to close the cap, and you can even put it in your pocket too. Definitely recommend this product. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.